In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, I hope you are in the best of your health and spirit. First of all, I welcome you to the distance learning program of Pakistan International School, Qatar. This is the 9th week of the session 2020 to 2021 and you are attending English literature class. Dear students, the objectives of today's lesson are: 1. To know about the poem Sour Grapes from page 37 of the textbook. 2. To do exercise A, understanding the poem. 3. To learn about the moral lesson of the poem. Now, get ready, dear students. Open your books on page 37 and read carefully what is written about the poem Sour Grapes. About the poem. The poem Sour Grapes is based on a fable by Aesop. Fables are imaginary tales or myths. Usually these have a moral message. Do you know any other fables? In order to keep the lines to a certain length, the poet has used certain words instead of others. In the first line, for example, the poet says that the fox was trotting on. He does not use the word along. The word on has only one syllable whereas along has two. This is why the poet has also used an apostrophe instead of a vowel in the words curled, tis, and power. Now, we start. Exercise A, understanding the poem. The first question is: did the fox really want the grapes? Please read the stanza given below and try to find the answer. Yes, here the word eager shows that the fox really wanted the grapes as he jumped again and again to catch the fruit. We learn it from the first line of stanza number 2. Eager, he tried to snatch the fruit. Our next question is: what was so attractive about the grapes? Again, look at the given stanza. Here is the clue for you. Yes, the attractive thing about the grapes was that they were rich, ripe and purple red as it is mentioned in the last line of stanza number 1. Remember that we need to tell how we find the answer in the poem. Now, read stanza number 1 and 3 to find the answer to the question. Which words are used to describe the grapes in the first verse? Which words are used in the third verse? Yes, you are right. The words lovely, rich, ripe and purple red are used to describe the grapes in the first verse. On the other hand, the words sour, mean and common fruit are used in the third verse to describe them. Now the most important question. It's about the moral lesson. The question is: what is the moral lesson that the poem teaches us? Think and guess your own answer. Yes, carry on. One possible answer is given here. The moral lesson of the poem Sour Grapes is that if we fail to achieve what we have been trying for, we should not dishearten on our failure. Rather, we should say the grapes are sour to console ourselves. Dear students, that's all for today. For better understanding, I advise you to read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Now, do the worksheet carefully which your teacher has shared with you. Thank you dear students, I wish you all the best. Goodbye.